Hey guys, Sean here with my channel Brick Man. And today we'll be traveling to the world of Harry Potter. Yes, I love Harry Potter, and this set is pretty cool. It is interactive, and it is called 12 Grimmauld Place. There's the boy wizard himself, Harry Potter, with his pals Hermione and Ron. Of course, gotta have the trio on the box. This one is pretty cool looking. It's pretty tall too, I'm thinking. I'm gonna assume it's gonna stand at least a foot tall. This set number is 76408. Comes with 1,083 pieces, which isn't too bad for the price I paid for it. Oop, and it comes with 3, 6, 7, 8, 9 minifigures. That is actually not too bad. Not too bad amount of minifigures for a set of this size. Usually the bigger the set, the more pieces. This is more of a medium-sized set. Normally you want to get at least probably 4 or 5 minifigures. So that's, if you look at the circles, it transforms, and Sirius Black's house comes out. That's pretty cool in my mind. So, alright, I think it's time to get building. So before I get into my review, I would like to make a correction. This set stands about 3/4 of a foot high, by the looks of it. I did not measure it, but it definitely stands pretty tall for a small modular build. You know, what I really like is the way the buildings look. So let's get to the coup de grace, which most people want to see, is the transformation. It actually transforms pretty easy. And there we are. There we go. I like how the center building is actually a totally different color and definitely stands out against the two outside. 12 Grimmauld Place. So let's take a look inside. There is a lot happening inside here. We got a couple skulls on top here. We got a grand piano in the center. Can I turn my light on? No, I can't turn my light on. And down below here you got the dining room where a lot of the movies took place. A lot of scenes from when they were in Grimmauld Place took place. And over here you got the family tree map in the center. I don't know if you guys can see it very well. And on top you got a bed. Down below you got some storage. And on the other side you got another bed on top. And a couch. And not much going on in the bottom part. So, but if you transform it back, that's all you see. What the cool little detail that caught my eye. Now I'm having difficulties making this thing fall apart here. If I can get it back open. Are the two chandeliers. See one? There's one here. There's one on the other side. That is pretty cool looking detail. So for my review of the set, for difficulty, this was definitely not difficult at all. So I'll give it a 1 star for difficulty. The higher my rating on that, the harder the set is. Speed, this is definitely a pretty quick build. Just be careful of the mechanics. Especially when you're placing these things here, because they're not the same when you flip them. So definitely pay attention to the instructions when you're placing those in. The other way, it doesn't fold very well. So autopilot can be on for this set, except for that one part I told you guys about. But the details are pretty fabulous for this size of the set. Each room is definitely kind of maxed out. I wish they could have done more with some of the outer side, especially the map room, the family tree room, and the room down below there. But I think they wanted to showcase the family tree, so they left only the family tree in there. So details, I'll definitely give it a 5 star. So overall, I give this puppy a 5 star. So now I will move on to the minifigures. It's time to dig deep into the minifigure lineup for Grimmauld Place. I am surprised though that this set does not contain the full trio of Ron, Harry, and Hermione. This set only has Ron and Harry. So first up we have Harry Potter. And next we have, oh, sorry, Ron. He doesn't look too happy. And I first thought this was Jenny Weasley, but come to find out it is Molly Weasley. She is the mother of the Weasley children. Alright, next we have Fred and George Weasley. There's one. I'll pull out the other one. I'm doing these two in tandem because they are exactly the same, because they are twins. Wearing the same exact clothing. There they are. Same hairstyle, same everything. Right. Next we have, I'll do Sirius Black. He doesn't look too happy. I'm gonna make him be a little more happier. Alright, there he is. Still not happy, but alright. Next we have Kingsley Shacklebolt. Kingsley Shacklebolt. There he is. Camera's having issues trying to focus on him. Alright, next is Nymphadora Tonks. There she is. Cool thing about her is that she came with a different color hair, so when she transforms her face into a little piggy, here I'll show you. Alright, there she is. Now she's a little piggy. Oink oink. Oink 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 oink. And lastly we have Creature. Oop. There is Creature. He is the house elf for the Black family. Oh, get out of my house. Alright, so that is the lineup of minifigures. I give the minifigures a 5 stars. There's a lot of variety. Glad they gave you 2 of the twins instead of just 1. But my favorite in this set is Nymphadora, and the ability to change her hair just like in the movies. Alright, that's all I got for this video. Thanks for watching.